குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை, திருநீலியம்மன் துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், டீட்டெயில்ஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. Property details are the fourth sign, fourth lord, related to house, land, property, fourth lord. Mars Karma star by Kartigai Booram, male, female, Lagna in Revati star, Lagna star sign star. If Mars has Mars in it, then there is Mars Karma regard. For a woman, Mars is husband, Karaha for third Bhava, father-in-law, younger brother, friends, career, effort, Karaha. Fourth Bhava, fourth Lord, 11th Lord conjunct or Lord Saturn in fourth Bhava, or fourth Lord conjunct Saturn or fourth Lord in Aquarius. Total 3 rules. 11th Lord in 4th Bhava, 4th Lord in 11th Bhava, in order to know the karma of 4th Lord Mars. We have to look carefully where the 11th Lord is. If the 11th Lord is in the 4th Bhava, house, land, property, vehicle, happiness, this is Mars evil. Now the 11th Lord will disturb this. If the 4th Lord is also 11th Lord, the problem related to property will be more. 4th Lord Saturn conjunct 4th Lord or Aquarius conjunct 11th Lord conjunct Trine conjunction, who has this common property problem. If there is a government problem regarding the property, income tax problem, bond problem through government documents, 4, 11, 12 correspondence. If this matrix comes into contact, be careful when buying property in government related matters. Once one is in Aries Laganam and the Lagana points is in Bharani star, if born, he should be very careful about property want. Sagittarius Lagana point Uttiradam means Jupiter Karma. Jupiter Karma, the 4th Lord, should also be careful about property. Libra Lagana point Swati star. Swati has the karmic record of Saturn. 4th Lord for Libra, Lagana Capricorn, 4th Lord Saturn and Lagana dot sign star like this, Lagana dot sign star like this, Lagana dot sign star, who has karmic record. Karma Lord has become 4th Lord, should be more careful in matters of property than usual. Police horoscope. Question answer. The desire to go to the uniformed service, the subsections within it, those who are interested in the uniform shirt, those who are interested in entering that department. What kind of compatibility should this have in the horoscope? Security department means vigilance, police, income tax departments, subdivisions, CBI, etc. Entry permit to police department. Service security guards, Bhairava, Veerabhadra, Madurai Veeran, Ayyanar, Karupsami comes as guardian deity for all this. Saturn is the god of valor. Mars is the god of war. Army veterans Mars. For production, the occupation are Saturn. Police, army, Mars plus Saturn. Mars Karma reveals Bhava Aquarius. That house Virgo is the house that can reveal Saturn Karma and is the 6th house for time of God, and 6th house is the house that can reveal Saturn Karma. The 11th sign is the sign that can manifest Mars Karma. Government office house, 9th house, Rahu Karma sign. One can enter government jobs only if Rahu Karma register 6, 9, 11. 9 Rahu Karma sign, 11 Mars Karma sign. If these 3 signs are related to the 10th sign, then the government, police and military are related. If the 10th Lord sits in the 9th house and there is a combination of 6, 11, then there is an advantage to work in the government, police and army department. The combination of 6, 9, 11 vision with the 10th house is the first generation. Mars karma star Kartigai Puram by Revadi, Saturn karma star Punarpusam Swadi Avitam, Rahu Saram star Pusam Visaham and Sadayam. If these are karmic stars are directly or indirectly in the same family, then one of the family can enter the police force. People who have achievements in police and army horoscope 6, 9, 11 will be associated with the 10th sign. If their family, there will be combination of stars with 3 karmas. The third rule, Saturn is the planet that can reveal the karmic record of Mars. Mercury is the planet that can reveal the karmic record of Saturn. Jupiter is the planet that can reveal the karmic record of Rahu. So total of 3 planets are Jupiter, Mercury and Saturn. A system that allows entry into the police force. Jupiter plus Mercury plus Saturn 10th sign association with the 10th lord, 9th bhava 9th lord, 6th bhava 6th lord, 11th bhava 11th lord. These 3 houses are associated with the 10th bhava and the 10th lord. Mars, Saturn, Rahu karma signed stars. That is police horoscope. Next question. How to have Mars karma when there is no star belonging to Mars karma? Example horoscope Lagna. Answer. Lagana Lord and Star Lord Mars, Karmic Star Kartigai Puram Revadi. This is a horoscope without Mars karma. If Saturn is in Lagana or Lagana is seen from the place of Saturn 3, 7, 10. Now Mars karma has come to Lagana. If Saturn is in this place 4, 7, 11, he will see grammar. Now 4, 7, 11 is not in this bhava. 11th bhava, 11th lord is not in Lagana. Sign Lagana lord is in Aquarius and neither if is Mars. If there is no karma, then marriage happens late. If their 7th bhava is placed in the 7th lord Aquarius or the 7th lord is placed in the 11th bhava, then they will get married late. Now they have sevenfold Mars karma. By saying no to them, the 7th signer is putting dirt on his own head. Marriage ban for the person who knocks them out means that they will waste their life by looking for a groom who does not have any grip. See if there is a problem of Martian karma on them to prevent marriage. If there is a rule related to Martian karma, then it is our problem. It is not our problem if alliance does not come without any problem depending on Mars karma. It is the problem of those who have taped out. Perhaps if the Mars karma is complete, then they should complete the marriage in 2 ways and a week without delaying the marriage with prospective grooms or seen grooms. The marriage should be consummated in 2 days without delay. Perhaps if Mars karma is associated with the 7th sign, only then the marriage should be conducted in 2 days. Those who have Mars karma are the ones who will knock the person who comes. If Mars is with the 7th sign, they will be knocked out. Perhaps if Mars has karmic connection with itself or 7th bhava, then the matter of marriage should be discussed quickly and concluded quickly. This should not be drag job. If I go and think about it, it will stop. That's all. Next, property dispute joint property. Answer 4, 10, 11, 4, 11. Expect if there is connection directly. 11, 4 in case of no connection. 11th bhava lord sits in 10th bhava and aspects 4th bhava as 7th aspect. But 7 is 4th bhava. Now it means his wife has Mars karmic connection in 4th bhava. The 11th lord is now looking at his 4th sign, and now he is connected with the 10th sign. Now the property problems does not directly affect him. Indirectly, if his property is kept in someone else's name, then we will get property problem. If it is a share property, if there is a partner in that property, then you will also have problems in the 10th house and 11th lord 10th 11 combination. If you should act carefully or avoid buying joint property. He should buy property in his own name alone. Do not buy property jointly. Although 10 and 11 are not related to the 4th sign, do not buy joint property on 10 11. Do not buy jointly. Big problem will come after 10 11 if it is associated with the 4th sign. One will not be able to enjoy one's own property. Who should invest in buying property? Do not buy joint property if you 11th lord is aspected by 11th lord, 10th lord or 4th lord or 4th, 10th, 11th conjunction aspect. Do not buy an apartment. 4, 10, 11 addition. Do not buy joint property. The 4th sign is his own property. The 11th sign will give Mars karma record. The 10th sign is the partner's property for the professional. 10, 11 if the 11th lord sits in the 10th house, then Mars karma will work through occupation. They should be careful about business. There will be a first case problem. So you have to be careful about business related matters. If there is combination of 6, 10, 11, 6th bhava is Saturn, 11th bhava is Mars. 6, 11 is a problem if there is a addition. Along with this 6, 10, 11 will cause serious problem. 6, 10, 11 if there is a combination, there will be a crowd waiting to trouble them like a treasure trove. They are waiting to lure us into a trap. A group will be waiting to trap us a fuss. 6, 11 wherever there is a combination. One should be careful depending on that sign. Even if there is a combination of Saturn and Mercury, you should be careful depending on that sign. Even if they get a little space, they will want to accumulate it when the biggest problem comes. The fuss will continue to attack lawsuits. 6, 11 also 10 combination. Saturn, Mercury planet, 10th lord fuzzy case. They keep watch like eagle. That's all. Religion case change marriage. Answer. Karaka is the definition of a caste. If one moves from one caste group to another, there is the invention of moon karma. Karma registration for religion change of caste marriage, Mercury karma. Rohini Uttiram Buradam star Mercury karma. Rohini star is owned by moon, but Mercury comes as karma in karma. Lagana Lord star sign star Mercury karma related star combination. If there is a change of caste combination or marriage or not, those who change religion and caste will have this star connection. Mercury karma, moon karma based star combination. These 7 stars are the cause of change of religion and caste. Moon is the cause of conversion. Ketai star will play a very big role in this. Rohini Ketai star zigzag relationship. How if Rohini star is moon essence but Mercury is karma? Ketai star Mercury essence moon karma. If they change their religion forcefully or due to advice of another person, moon Mercury karma record will be in that family. Venus Magam and Rahu Bharani are both moon karma. Venus Rahu 6th 7th lords of sign. Wherever they are, there is a reason to change religion and caste depending on the sign. Example, Lagna, Lagna, Lord sign, sign star. If one these three is affected by Mercury dosa, Taurus, Lagna, Rohini has a sign star in Rohini or Magam. It means conversions event has already taken place. We have to see in which way they have changed or are going to change through mother or father. First, is the moon Mercury karma record comfortable? Number 2, Venus and Rahu are in which bhava? Number 3, sixth sign, seventh sign, sixth lord, seventh lord. It should be seen which sign they are associated with or which other sign lord is sitting in the sixth and seventh house. That sign alone is the cause of change of religion and caste. That's all. Next, Virgo house details of sixth sign. Answer, Virgo house Mercury, Rahu Moola Trigonal house, Saturn Moon Karma house. Saturn Moon Karma in whichever house Mercury and Rahu occupy have similarly any malefic planet in the house of Virgo Bhava planet has Saturn Moon Karma. Saturn is the ruler of life and career. Where the sixth lord of sign is sitting is the opportunity involved. Within reach, knocking out of reach, late arrival when we think we will get it. If you don't get it, then you will be patient and get it late. The idea of not hating life itself will be tested to the limit. This is the state of mind in regard to which bhava the sixth lord is seated in. Sixth lord sitting in fourth bhava. If fourth lord sitting in sixth bhava, late education, Saturn plus mentally problem, psychology, stress, moon. Psychological damage, mood damage, emotional damage, social pressure, career related problem. One thing is prohibited, Saturn can tell the related matter. The sixth sign is the combination of Saturn and Moon's karmic record, where that lord is going and sitting or which planet is sitting in the sixth house. Excessive mental pain, emotional distress, psychological damage due to Saturn Moon karma. 6446, if there is a relationship, their education, property, house, vehicle, maternal family will cause unusual stress and mental pain. Things that ought to happen are delayed, delaying and thereby causing ugliness and shame. Asking questions, social questions, creating and confusing the mind, creating many kinds of confusion, creating too much mental tension, creating feelings in inferiority, guilt, etc. is the sixth sign. Now, whenever they are involved in the fourth sign, house, land, property, comfort, maternal family, education, learning, technique, the matter related to it, the house in which they live in the fourth sign. Saturn and Moon karmic sign effects work together whenever Bhavagam is touched. If the sixth lord is in the third bhava, then the Saturn Moon karma record will work for the younger brother. Communication, writing, printing, telecommunication through social websites, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, SMS, all these are the third sign which gives us that influence through the younger brother. If the third lord sits in the sixth bhava, if the sixth lord sits in the third bhava, Saturn Moon karma sign, mental distress and depressions will be caused by the third malefic karaka. 9-6, if there is a relationship, all these spiritual and the ninth malefic character will give the karmic effect of Moon and Saturn. That's all. Next, horoscope of accident due to water. Answer, 1679, 16711. Be careful in this correlation exists. 1 9 the possibility of an accident due to relationship. If this there will be an accident involving water. 1991 the relationship 6 1 first lord 6th bhava and 7th bhava will be involved. 169 and 179 accident due to water. 111 both together being in 6th sign. 1711 together will create an accident involving water. 1679 169 179 that is major accident. Minor accident if 11th sign involved. 1611 or 1711 the matter related to water, river, well, pool, sea should be very careful in this matter. They have the possibility of accident. People with Rahu karma are prone to accidents. Pusam, Visagam, Sadayam, Sagittarius sign, Jupiter in Sagittarius, Lagna Lord of Jupiter, Jupiter conjunct 9th Lord in Lagna, 9th Lord in 9th house, 1 9 together and other being in any sign. A horoscope with such connections is an accident horoscope. In this connection, if the 6th and 7th house lords are combined, there is a possibility of an accident involving water. They should be careful about touching switches with wet hands and water related problems. 1679 16711 this interaction combination is powerful. They are more affected by water than others. Be extra careful. That's all. Next, relevant details. Number 1, separation of two relationships or loss of one of them in childhood, male by female. Number 2, 11 communication will be a combination of 1 to 11 is suitable for a woman. Male 1661 vision combination for those people if they get married or study by looking at horoscope compatibility. Female Mars karma Lagna Lord Star Lord is more vigorous or more virulent in Aquarius sign is Aquarius sign. If there is a male horoscope and a Saturn karmic record, then we should combine these two horoscope very carefully. Female horoscope 11th bhava, 11th lord related to grammar related to 2nd bhava. Also having Mars black sign, male sun horoscope for same woman. Male horoscope 1661 now 16 is together with Saturn karma registered Swadi Avitam Punarpusam stars sign Lagna. If Lagna lord or Aquarius sign Lagna Lord, if it stands the horoscope with such a combination will be male sun's 8th bhava life stage. Life resolution, Mangalya compatibility in star compatibility, Sri solution compatibility is there. Mangalyam blessing should be seen clearly and after that give importance to other matters. Female horoscope 1 to 11, 111 to 11. Mangalya much should be checked very carefully if this match comes. If both are below 30 years of age, be careful. If they are above 30, then it is fine. Otherwise, then will not be able to enjoy their home life or they will get life share. Female horoscope 1 to 11 6 7 correlation. These two were together for a female. 1 to 6 11 1 to 7 11 which is more virulent and bad. Now we need to add horoscope that compensates for this. If the girl is 30 years old, there is no problem if she gets married by looking at the senior man's horoscope. That's all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.